everybody, welcome. Amateur Fishing Adventure. We are on our first leg of kayaking adventure. We are on our secret location. Obviously it's only two of us kayaking over here. It's mid-April, it's still cold. It's the first time that we hit 70 degrees. The water's still cold. We're just about to test out the water and hopefully we catch some fish. Everybody okay?
Yep, I just docked.
I'm gonna try to anchor myself over here on the side. I'll meet you over here. Right here, I'm trying to locate a spot where I can anchor myself. I usually anchor myself on a spot, and I'll be there for like most of the time that I'm fishing. But in this lake, it's difficult because sometimes they're on one spot, and sometimes you can't catch anything.
Properly?
I'm kind of broken right now, but any luck?
There was something bothering my fish before, but it's nothing yet.
They started really slow for us. We couldn't catch any fish. We're using live minnow. I'm trying live worms. I'm trying everything on this spot. This is like the deeper spot, and nothing's really biting right now. So desperation starts to kick in and start to look around. Maybe I want to move a little bit backwards where the shallow where water is. Jumping is in my minnows on the bucket. For some reason they're all like jumpy.
I don't know. I mean, not having any luck myself. I mean, this is the second minnow I had because, yeah, the first one I lost in the weeds, but it's like nothing's really going after it.
Right now, it's not paying off this spot. It's time to move on to shallower water. Maybe they're spawning. The sun is up. Maybe they're mating or guarding their young, guarding their nest, or some fish may be looking for small fishes to feed on, hunting. So right now we're just gonna go look for that location where the fish is. I don't believe in fish finder. I will just takes the excitement out of it. But right now we're just gonna go look for a new spot and hopefully we'll catch something. Right now I'm gonna try my casting rod, put a swim bait on it, and nothing's really biting right now. I put myself over here, try the lilies, try everywhere. sun's almost down. think we're about to see some action now.
He was like, yummy. Yeah, it went down real quick. He got that one. Round two. Look, it's so weak. I got it. I got you.
Nice. Crappie.
Crappie. Oh, big one. Ah, pickerel. Woo!
Fish on? Nice.
Gosh. Oh no. Another crappie.
You want a picture?
Nah. Another crappie.
I didn't even notice and the paddle fell down the water and sank at this time, so by the time I noticed it, it's nighttime already. I lost my paddle.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Some action there. Come on. Same was running again. Oh, got it. He got it.
You got him?
He got it. He got the fish. He's swimming there. There you go. I got you. He jumped on it.
Oh shit.
On the top. I got you.
Another. Oh, wait, another.
He jumped
Pick
on
one.
it on the top. He's just swimming on top.
I gotta recast mine. Let me see. Let me see what it looks like. Is he big?
Yeah. It's just I don't wanna. There you go. Gotcha.
You want a picture?
Nah, it's alright.
I'm about to catch my last fish of the day, and it's about to be Rapal's time, so watch out. So Rapal got tired of floating around, so he wants to tie his kayak on my kayak because I'm anchored to the mud. So it's his time to catch some fish now. It's his time. Right now, Rapal is trying to sit down the way I'm sitting down on my kayak, but I don't think it's gonna work out, so
Whoa, 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 there you go. I just barely got it. Oh, you got two hooks, bro. What do you mean barely got it? You got two hooks.
got really dark really quick. I lost my paddle by the time I realized it. It's dark already. So plan B, I got Rapal towing me to the shore. Thank God that he was there. If he's not there, then I'll be stuck over here in the middle of the lake by myself. By the time that we hit the shore, on the shoreline, it was pitch black already, as you can see. Barely see anything. So I'm gonna leave you guys with one safety tip. Paddle with a buddy. Use radio, whistle, life jacket. Use your paddle leash, paddle holder. Don't underestimate Mother Nature and paddle safely. It's time to go home now. Thanks for watching. If you got any questions, comment, subscribe. Thank you everybody. Have a great day.